Good evening, Dee.
Good evening, Nitish. Hello, everyone, my viewers. Actually, these days I'm missing my tuition students a lot. So, I have decided to have a conversation, Zoom call with one of my students. Actually, guys, due to this lockdown, I had to switch to online classes and I am taking my online classes, but I am missing those days when we used to have fun, when we used to enjoy a lot. We used to sit together on bed, 12, 13 students. We used to sit together without any fear of such types of viruses. But now we are helpless. We cannot do anything. We have to maintain social distancing. But it's okay. Now I am talking to one of my favorite students. So he is. His name is Nitish. Okay, Nitish, now tell something about yourself to our viewers.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nitish Singh, and my age is 13, and I am studying in 8th class right now. And I am basically from Jammu and Kashmir, but I am currently living in Delhi as my father works here. And some of my hobbies are to read about history, are to study about history, and to read books related to life, related to our lives.
Oh, that's great. Okay, you like reading books related to our life. So, have you read any
Yeah.
type of book earlier?
Yes, the power of subconscious mind.
Oh, you have read that whole book, The Power of Subconscious
Yes,
Mind.
the
That's
yes, the
great. That's great, Bacha. I appreciate you for that. Look, you have read that book, The Power of Conscious Mind, Subconscious Mind. Sorry, that's good. Really
yes,
good. You didn't tell me about this,
yes.
or my student, and you didn't tell me about this.
I read this in the lockdown day.
Lockdown one in 2020.
Yes, yes, the in 2020. Yes.
Yeah, do you know? In lockdown one, I guess. Yeah, at that time, also I also read a novel. Your Dreams Are Mine Now by Ravinder Singh.
Yes, the
Yeah, I uploaded a video on that also. But I
I
was
know that
so
the
fascinated after reading that book. Na, I was so fascinated. It was such a it is such a lovely book. I must say, easy to read, easy to understand. It is like you are watching a movie, literally. This novel is like you are watching a movie. Interesting, very interesting. Okay, Nitesh. So, are you enjoying your lockdown this time?
yes, the but it sometimes gets boring.
Yeah, I can understand, Bachche. It is boring for you students, for you children. It is boring sometimes because you are not able to play outdoor games. Na, I can
Yes, the
understand.
yes,
But Bachche, you have still so many things to do at home. You can take your online classes, you can do your school homework, but there are many problems for adults. People are suffering financially, emotionally, physically. They are suffering in every aspect. I mean, so many problems
yes,
are
the
there because of this pandemic. Yes, bache. And yes, it is a bitter truth. We can't deny it. People are suffering because cases are rising so
yes,
rapidly.
the
I don't know why this is happening. Yeah, we can't do anything. Can leave this topic, bache. Okay, so are you enjoying your online classes?
yes, the
Okay, tell
but the
me,
offline
online,
classes were
online
the
or
best.
offline? Offline
Offline
or
classes always the
always
offline.
offline?
Yes, the
Reason? What's the difference?
because in the offline classes we could meet with our friends face to face, the and with our teachers also.
You can also meet your friends in online classes. By the way,
Yes, the
just say
but
you cannot talk to them. You can't create
yeah,
disturbance.
yes,
You can't create disturbance.
yes, the
But I can understand, Bache, this is also something which students miss their friends. Yeah, I can understand. Playground. You must be missing school playground, school canteen, right? Hmm.
yes,
I can understand, Bache, but it's okay. It is also a new experience for you. Right, in
Yes,
the
Di.
future, right, when you will be in your 11th, 12th standard or in your graduation, you will be missing these days at that time.
Yeah,
है
yes, Di.
ना? At that time, you will be thinking, once upon a time, there was a time when we used to take online classes, and it was a fun. Obviously, you will be saying it was a fun, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, Di.
It's good, in fact. It is a new experience. But it is not good in terms of death, the way the cases are rising now. But I just
Yes,
pray to
Di.
God. I just pray to God every time.
Let's see what will happen.
Yeah, bache. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling nervous, quite
Very
nervous.
nervous, bache. Why are you nervous? I am feeling very happy, really. I'm feeling very happy. When I talk to my students, I really feel happy. It is a type of recreational activity for me. I just feel so fresh, so fresh.
And we students get nervous, Di.
Yeah, I can understand your nervousness. I can understand the reason behind your nervousness. It's okay. No need to get nervous.
Okay,
Just do hard work, okay? Study care.
okay, Di.
And stay safe, bache, huh?
Yes, Di.
Huh. And to my viewers also, please stay safe, everyone. Take care of yourself, of your family. And guys, if you like this conversation, please give this video thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye bye, everyone. Stay safe.